Welcome to Pots, Pans, and Pioneers. Today I'm going to be making a banana orange salad. And I'm going to be using Jello. And this is this makes 8 cups. It's the 16-ounce package. I'm boiling some water. I'm going to turn the stove off. I'm using the rapid boil feature on the stove. I'm going to pour in the gelatin and stir until it's dissolved. Okay, once the orange gelatin is dissolved, we're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to dissolve that in the hot water. Okay, once you have all your sugar and salt dissolved, we're going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And I'm just going to be using concentrated. So I'm going to pour a little bit, but if you had a lemon, you would want at least 1 full lemon of lemon juice in here. And the lemon juice is going to help keep the fruit that we're going to put in here from browning and being nasty. Our next ingredient, I'm using the cuties, the halo cuties that you peel. They have no seeds. And I'm going to squeeze 1 whole cutie into this as well. Pulp and all, doesn't matter. The cuties are not real tart, they're sweeter. And then I'm going to take the rind of the cutie. Okay, then I'm going to take the rind of the cutie and I'm going to zest it. Just one side, one section. Alright, to this we're going to add 2 cups of cold water or 1 cup of water with ice cubes. Okay, I'm just using the Ozarka Texas spring water, and it's just ice cold out of the refrigerator. 1 bottle is 2 cups. And we're going to mix that. And I'm going to try to cool it way down. Okay, in order to chill this down even faster, I'm going to pour the Jello into a cold bowl. And the bowl's fairly cold. And all this is going to do is bring down the temperature so it'll cool down a little faster. Okay, I'm going to wait 5-7 minutes and come back and see. It has to be cool enough to be able to stick your finger in and tolerate it, so it can't be really hot at all. What I also do is take a bowl of ice that's a smaller bowl, and you can put the ice underneath this bowl and cool it down that way. This bowl has a handle on it, so it's going to give it a little tilt, but okay, we'll chill it a little bit more before we add ours. And there's no heat to it at all. And we've done the finger test. It's lukewarm. I mean, it's cooler than lukewarm. So I've chopped up 2 cuties, and I'm going to add them to the Jello. Again, I'm using cuties because they have no seeds. Don't have to worry about any of that. The only thing you have to do is pick out the little strings if you can get them, or take them off before you put them in the bowl. Then we're slicing up 2 large bananas, and I'm just doing a medium slice. Now remember, you've added lemon juice, so it's going to prevent the bananas from turning black on you. Just going to want to stir it. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and we're going to check it. We'll check it at that point. Give it a stir, make sure you've got all the lemon and citrus all over the bananas. Okay, I'm going to put some saran wrap over it. See a string. Put some saran wrap over it and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, 3 hours and out of the refrigerator and is gelled. And what we're going to do to make the salad is we're going to take a fork and just run it through to break up the Jello. Tastes awesome. And then you can use Cool Whip or any kind of whip topping that you choose. I'm going to use the Real Cream Ready Whip. And I'm just going to take it and mix it in. You don't want to stir it really fast, you just want to cream it in. So you're just wanting to see the white and the orange sort of blend together. Just like that. And then when you put it in your individual dishes, you can add more cream on top, just like that. I'm going to taste it. Grab a little banana and orange together. It's very summery and citrusy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you'll try this. It's really simple to make. And I'll see you guys on